Happy Macro Monday, everybody. Today we're tackling something sneaky that derails more keto and carnivore journeys than almost anything else: carb creep. You might think you're low carb, but if your weight loss has stalled and cravings are back or blood sugar starts creeping up, you might have carb creep. Carb creep is usually the culprit. And I would say before I started carnivore, that might have been happening to me. So, what exactly is carb creep? It's when hidden carbs slip into your day, usually from sauces, condiments, snack foods labeled keto, or here was my issue, I think. I stopped measuring. It was portion sizes that grew a little bit bigger over time. 1 tablespoon of ketchup here, a handful of nuts there, and suddenly you've added 20 to 30 grams of carbs without even realizing it. So, over a week, that's enough to knock you out of fat burning mode. So, here's today's nugget. Here's your quick 3-step checkup. Audit all the sauces and condiments. Most barbecue sauces, ketchups, and dressings are sugar bombs. Swap them out for sugar free or make your own. Double check your snacks. Keto bars or chips often have hidden starches or sugar alcohols that add up. Revisit portion sizes, especially with nuts, cheese, and even veggies are healthy, but carb counts matter if you're aiming for ketosis. And, and also to reduce and reverse insulin resistance. And here's a bonus one most people overlook: coffee add-ins and deli meats. Flavored creamers, even the sugar-free ones, often contain maltodextrin, and even deli meats are cured with sugar or starch fillers. They're easy to miss, but again, it adds up fast. So I remember when I first started keto, everything was going smoothly. Then 1 month, my progress stalled. I thought my metabolism was broken, but it turned out I got a little too friendly with almond flour muffins and low carb tortillas. Once I tightened things back up, the fat loss picked right back up. Sometimes it's not about eating less, it's just about eating smarter. So if you've stalled, don't slash calories or overexercise. That's our initial reaction, right? Start with a carb creep checkup. Clean up the sauces, watch those snack foods, measure portions, and double check labels for hidden starches and fillers. Do this for a week and you'll be surprised at how quickly things get moving again. And if you want a free carb guide to keep things simple, check out the link below and for my ebook, Keto Made Simple. I give you not only the free carb guide, but also a lot of other tools, whether you're brand new to keto or you're gaining weight on keto and you need a reset. That's your Macro Monday. Stop carb creep before it stops you. And I'll see you tomorrow for Truth Bomb Tuesday.